Merry Christmas, everybody. Today I'm going to be unwrapping and revealing what I got for Christmas, so stay tuned.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember, but in one of my previous vlogs, I wrapped my own present for my husband because that's what I do. It is actually December 1st, so he's letting me open it, and I say letting me, he really doesn't care. Open it a few days early so that I could get this video up for you guys on Christmas Day. I can do a what I got for Christmas later on, but we're actually not even doing Christmas with my family until like January 10th. So I can do one, but it'll be later. So I can let you guys know. Maybe in a vlog or something I can do like an unofficial what I got for Christmas kind of thing. But I was really excited about this gift, so let's open it up. All right, it's a Louis Vuitton piece. So they always have this nifty little piece that you can just pull like this. They always have it that it opens up, and you can open this up and it reveals this, and then the piece is here. All right, let's see if this is anything important. I don't think it is. Oh, okay, so this is just that little gift envelope if you were gonna gift it. Of course, they send you the ribbon. They didn't wrap it in it, which is fine by me. And then a return label in case I want to return it, receipt, and then all the other exchanges and returns and all that is all in here in case you want to deal with all that. And here's the actual thing itself in the dust bag. And it is the Victorine wallet in fuchsia.
I'm so excited!
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So pretty. This is like the perfect size wallet. Really. I mean, I have plenty of wallets, don't get me wrong. I know it. I have almost too many. I'll do a video at some point all the wallets I have and the comparisons, but for now, let's talk about the Victorine wallet. I got it in the color fuchsia, so you can actually see it on the inside really well. It's so pretty. So originally I wanted just the brown, what it is, Armagnac, or what do they call it? Just monogram. It says just monogram, but it's the brown interior with the brass button. Originally I just wanted that. It was not in stock online. And so I asked my husband, I was like, hey, what do you think? Do you think I should, this one or that one? And he was like, I think the fuchsia looks more like you. Which I was like, oh, okay. I thought a neutral would be more me, but I'm glad he sees me as a bright, happy color. So online right now, the fuchsia is out of stock, but the monogram and the rose ballerine are both in stock. So there you go. Let's see. So on Louis Vuitton, this is $570 plus tax. And then let's look at some of the dimensions if I can find that. So it's 4.7 inches length, 3.5 inches height, and 0.8 inches width. It's a fuchsia pink interior, monogram coated canvas on the outside, grained cowhide leather trim, grained cowhide leather lining, gold color hardware, which is like this right here, press stud closure, zipped coin pocket here, and bill pocket here, 2 flat pockets here and here, and 6 card slots here. So this literally carries everything, and that's why I really wanted it, because it's a pretty compact wallet. It's not like your micro wallets or anything, but it's a pretty compact wallet that holds cash, coin, card, I mean, everything you could want to carry. So I am so thrilled to have this in my collection. I'm going to switch over to it and probably carry this for a while just to see how I like it and go from there. So that's what I got for Christmas for my husband. I mean, yeah, I purchased it, I wrapped it, but that is, so our thing is we get a certain amount to spend each year. This is actually over that amount. So I put some of my own like saved luxury fund money towards it. And we, for the past, we've been married 11 years. And I think when we first got married, we made an agreement. So like we had an agreement that if somebody got something for the other person and they didn't like it, we were allowed to tell one another without getting our feelings hurt. And it was just like a, like when you give, it can be kind of awkward. So that's what we did. And then it just got to a point of like, just get what you want and I'll get what I want and we'll call it a day. So that's what we've been doing for the past, 9 years at least. And it's been a really good system for us. Everybody does it differently. If you guys like to be surprised by your husband, let me know down in the comments below. Do you prefer to pick out your own gifts and maybe have your husband wrap them? Or do you like your husband to surprise you with gifts and do it that way? Everybody's so different. So I think it's interesting to know what people do. We are going to be celebrating with my family, like I said, January 10th. My husband's family lives somewhere else. And it just kind of got put off a little bit that we had to wait. So I hope wherever you are today that you're having a wonderful Christmas celebration, whatever that means to you. If you're with family, I hope that you guys are having a wonderful time. If you're by yourself, I hope you're having a wonderful time. So you guys have a fantastic, merry, happy Christmas, happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. And I will link this down in the description box below so that you can find the Victorine wallet that I got. I'm looking at it online, and it, like, the one picture looks like it has silver hardware, and then another picture looks like it has gold hardware. So it is gold hardware. Oh, I also wanted to update you guys real quick on the Louis Vuitton pieces that I have acquired here in the last few weeks. And I figured I've already put up a couple of vlogs that were like excited because I'm getting my hands on this hard to get piece from Louis Vuitton, and I did receive that piece. There was another piece that I ordered from Fashion File that was on my wish list, and I actually ended up sending that one back because I'm going to get my hands on it in a different route. So stay tuned for that. That'll be in the new year that'll come out. So I'm really excited to show you guys that once I can get that. So stay tuned. It's coming, I promise. So I hope wherever you are, you're having a really Merry Christmas today with family, by yourself, with a loved one, whatever you ended up doing today. I hope that it's a fantastic day. Let me know what you got down in the comments below so that I can celebrate with you with whatever you purchased for yourself or received from someone else. Thank you guys. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas. Bye. Merry Christmas, everybody. Today I'm going to be unwrapping and revealing what I got for Christmas. Okay, I wrapped my own gift for my present. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the like button right next to the subscribe button. Yeah, I'll do a